I going bus tour. I going bus tour. I going island tour. I going island tour. Going bus tour. We going bus tour. Going island tour. We going. Hey girl, cock up your foot on the bus. Cock it up. Put a foot on the window. Driver, keep down.
Reaction.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, and we are back in with another video for you guys. Today we're back in Grenada. How are you doing? I miss you all very much. The Reaction Boss is back with the numerous uploads every single day to entertain you guys. Right now I'm on this channel. I got 3 channels if you guys don't know. So we have Tyreek Reacts. That channel I post the audio, the reactions up, the audios on that channel. This channel Tyrekevlogs, I post the music video reactions over here, like the lyrics, the official music videos on Tyrekevlogs. And on Ty Islands, that's TY Islands, I do like my daily vlogs and things over there. You need to go support your boy every single where. You feel me? Make sure y'all like this video, comment on this video to see your comment right here in the next video that I post, and I post every single day. Follow me on Instagram right here. You understand me? Right there. Go follow me right now. Like, get me to 10K. Anyways, we have some soca. We have Khalifah bus tour, official music video, no talkings, tune. Alright then. Not the bird. Okay. The bird now. So we can't do the birds in America if y'all. Wait, he's finna drop. He's finna drop. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait. He's finna drop.
Carnival again this year. Well, yo.
He didn't drop. I go put that. Okay, so this gives me a little Jamaican vibes already. I haven't watched the video, by the way. This gives me a little Jamaican vibes already. You feel me? This you know the doctors them are Jamaican and the bus thing are go on and the doctor them are hang out at the bus side and I go on. I hope. Let's just watch this video. This video was recommended to me by someone on Instagram, by the way. I don't remember your name, bro. Thank you very much for requesting this song. You understand me? Y'all go follow my Instagram as I said. Let's go. Alright then. Bus tour.
Okay.
Make Grenada look fun, dog. Like
Carnival again this year. Well, yo, what's going on?
What's going on?
I going bus tour. I going bus tour. I going island tour. I going island tour. Going bus tour. We going bus tour. Going island tour. We going. Hey, girl, cock up your foot on the bus. Cock it up. Put a foot on the window. Driver, keep down the road. What's going on here?
I going bus tour too. People, I don't think I can finish this video. I don't think I'm gonna finish this video. I don't think. Go on.
I going island tour. Going bus tour. We going bus tour. Going island tour. We going. Hey, girl, cock up your foot on the bus. Cock it up. Put a foot on the window. Driver, keep down the road. What's going on here? No concern. Hey, girl, cock up your foot on the bus. Cock it up. Put a foot on the window. Driver, keep down the road. What's going on here? No concern.
I have no answer on the bumbuckling steering wheel. People sang bad. Right now I see BFI emotion in the comment section. Good.
Wheels on the bus go round and round. We go. Wheels on the bus go round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. I said the wheels on the bus go. Hey girl, and they like that? Take it. I hope you take it. She back it up on me inside the bus. Start posturating. Call me boy, I tell you get AC. All you know me when I get hasty. 2021 I'm whining on girl. I'm juking them like Google tree. I'm going bus tour. I'm going bus tour.
People, no, pause. Make we calm it down. I like the video. No, sir. People, the man drop fatty. He not the same party. Pan fatty, big batty. Go on.
I said the wheels on the bus go. Hey, girl, and they like that? Take it. I hope you can take it. She back it up on me inside the bus. Start posturating. Call me boy, I tell you get AC. All you know me when I get hasty. 2021 I'm whining on girl. I'm juking them hard like Google tree. I'm going bus tour. I'm going bus. Going island tour. I'm going island tour. Going bus tour. We going bus tour. Going island tour. We going. Hey girl, cock up your foot on the bus.
Oh, that's soca vibes. That's soca vibes. A soca vibes, people. Soca vibes. YouTube don't mark me in a YouTube, but a soca vibes YouTube. YouTube, I'm sorry. Chicken chest for the girls, them a soca vibes.
Put a foot on the window. Driver, keep the eye on the road. We're going on here, no concern. Hey, girl, take up your foot on the bus. Turn it up, put a foot on the window. Driver, keep the eye on the road. We're going on here, no concern. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Where you go? Wheels on the bus go round and round.
Hey, wheels on the bus. Dog, I'll be a foot dog.
I said the wheels on the bus
time.
What?
Tree in the road.
Batway, bus to the skate and wassy. All they don't know me, how I nasty. I don't come to bed and you're nasty. Hold on, wait, where the rum? Bring it, come, let my head get numb. You don't like me? There's none. Stand up there and just watch me have fun. I go in bus tour. I go in bus tour.
I go in bus tour.
I go in island tour. Go in bus tour. We go in bus tour. We go in island tour. We go in island tour. Crack it up, put a foot on the window. Driver, keep the eye on the road. We're going on here, no concern. Hey, girl, take up your foot on the bus. Crack it up, put a foot on the window. Driver, keep the eye on the road. We're going on here, no concern. The wheels on the bus go round and round. Where you go? The wheels on the bus go round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round. I said the wheels on the bus go. Hey, yo. Now wake up your stupid name, boy.
Okay.
All action go down the bus and it's
Okay.
Well, get up there.
The video 4 minutes to them. I like how the song gets slow now. We don't like how the song gets slow like the video done, you know. People want to see BFI emotion in the comment section. We want to see BFI emotion in the comment section right now. If you don't subscribe it, yes, it's the most lit channel is on YouTube, right? Subscribe. Like the video so the video can recommend to more people. Teach your brother, your auntie, your sister, your uncle, your granny, your grandfather, everybody phone and subscribe. Run it.
Get up there.
Get up, boy.
I don't like to bring you behind me.
You done? The video done, make you watch it. That broke banana tree. Broke banana tree, dog. I'll fight go on, what? I'll fight go on for Bumbo Clat. And they like that, take it. Oh, fatty. Back it up as you inside the bus. And you know me when I get. Who don't know what the big bus? Be a man, this one. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe. You don't know? That's my old vibe, right? Trust me what I do. You look at me for the way. Yeah. And I give the shot you give. Yeah. She play back. Walk around. It's a vibe. I like it. Yeah. I love it. It's a whole vibe. I respect it. I like the vibe. I like the flow. I like everything. People leave a like, leave a comment, leave a subscribe. Is it meant to the Soca Boss roll out today? Is it meant to big up to the subscriber there who reach out to me on Instagram and make me know say yo we need for react to that song. As I can say to the viewers, they may feel me. The reason why I like responded to you like a long time ago, brother, is because I was busy and I was going through a lot. But now it's like the mindset that's forward back and the Russian boss is back in effect to take over another year again. So like, comment, subscribe. See you on another one. Peace.